Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we're going to learn how to download OBS, that means Open Broadcasting Software. By using this you can live your post or video or your activities live streaming with Facebook and live streaming with YouTube. By using this you can also record your Windows display and record your game playing video. So before we start this tutorial, make sure to subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon for never miss any update. So first of all, you go into your browser and search OBS. Here you can see. Then go into the download. Here you find three versions: Windows version, Mac version and Linux version. Before we download this software, make sure to know which is the bit of your system type. So going to your this PC and going to here you can find system. Here you can find device specification, system type. My type is 64-bit, so I download 64 bits. If you have 32 bits, don't worry. Here you can find also the 32-bit version. So I download 64-bit. It is a 64-bit. It's automatically open download bar. Here you can see our download is started. Our download is finished. Now open the folder and install this. Next, I agree. Next, then installation is running. Our installation is finished. Now time to launch this. Here you can see this is the OBS Open Broadcasting Software. You can broadcast everything by using this. Live telecast, YouTube, Facebook. Here you can set a skin to display capture. But you can see here there is the black skin. Some of you guys face this problem to black skin. If you remove this, or if your system is running smoothly, then it's okay. But if you have the same problem with black skin, you can see my next video, which is named OBS Part 2. I give it to the link description below. Then you solve this problem easily. So hope you guys enjoy this video. Make sure to subscribe to my channel and comment me what you think about this video. In this coming tutorial, I solve this problem. So stay with me, like, comment, subscribe and share. Thank you.